Okay friends, so now we are starting with the next chapter, which is chapter number 7, and the name of that chapter is Biomolecules-II. Now in this chapter, in the previous chapter, which is Biomolecules-I, we had seen what is biomolecule, what are the organic and inorganic biomolecules, and we had studied in detail regarding carbohydrates and lipids. In this chapter, the same thing, there are different type of biomolecules which are required by the body. They have difference in their number, in their type, in their linear sequence, in their functions and all. As we know that living organism has a complex body system, and in that cell is the structural and functional unit. Now various, I can say thousands of proteins are required every day to perform the daily functions of the body. For that we require protein. To synthesize protein, a large amount of information is required. This information is in the form of genes, which is basically the nucleic acid. So in this chapter, we are going to learn in detail regarding the structure and functions of proteins, nucleic acids and the enzymes which are at the end a proteinaceous compound. Let us see the topics of this chapter. First is what we are going to study about protein in detail. In this we will be studying the introduction of protein. Then we will be studying in detail about the amino acid, which is the building blocks of protein, what type of amino acids are there, who classified them and all. Then we will study the structure of dipeptide and polypeptide. Then in general we'll study the structure of proteins, and finally we will study the importance of proteins. So these are the topics of protein. The next biomolecule that we are going to study in this chapter is nucleic acid. So in this we will be studying the introduction again for nucleic acid. Then we will see various composition of nucleic acid, in that only that every nucleic acid will be made up of what type of components. Then we will see the structure of nucleoside and nucleotide along with the diagrams. Then we will see how there is the formation of dinucleotide and polynucleotide. Then we will see the structure of DNA, the two types of nucleotide, that is DNA, and then we will see the structure of RNA. So this is all about nucleic acids that is we are going to study, and the last part of this chapter is enzymes. So again, first of all we'll see the introduction of the enzymes, then we will see the structure of enzymes, then we will see the importance, or basically the speciality, the specific characters of the enzyme. Then we'll see the mechanism of the enzyme, that is how they are binding and how they are showing their activity. Then we will see the types of enzymes, and finally there is a short note of cofactor or coenzyme. So this is all about what we are going to see in this chapter in detail. So let us start with that.